Hello and welcome back, everyone. We are here live once again here in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships here at Braustin Homes. I'm Xander, of course, and today I want to take you guys on a virtual tour of one of my top favorite homes, the Summit. Now, this home is huge, and the possibilities you could do with the spacing inside is endless. So let's take a look. The specs on this home are 4 to 5 beds, 3 baths, 32 by 76 with 2 sections. And this current model is 2280 square foot, but the new 2024 models will be a whopping 2432 square feet. Now, how about that? Now, we shall be getting a call here pretty shortly from Payal through the Payal portal, and she will take us on this tour. Now, let me give some time for her to call, give some time for you guys to join the live. Again, we are here live in Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. We're in the Summit. 2 sections in this home. I cannot believe it. And let's see, some people are joining now. Maybe Pyle's a little tardy today. That's all right. We'll roll with it. Oh, there she goes. Hey, pal.
Hey, Xander. Hey, guys. Welcome to the Summit. Summit is actually one of my favorites. It was one of the first ones I ever saw. Made a video about that. So check it out. But for now, let's take a tour of the Summit. I'm so excited to show you guys.
All right, well, let's get the ball rolling.
Let's.
Let me connect you through the audio. Okay. You are now connected, pal. Take it away.
Okay, guys, welcome to the Summit. The Summit is one of the very first homes I actually walked through, and it is definitely one of my favorites. I love this kitchen here. I love how modern it is. I especially love this dual sink over here, especially with all the cabinets underneath it. And the Summit, is one of the homes that we have that really offers you so much storage space. You'll notice throughout the kitchen there's a lot of drawers, there's a lot of cabinets. There's even a pantry on the side that allows for extra storage. It really is a beautiful family home. Honestly, I think this is a really, really great home to have. I would love to even grow up in a home like this. And here is that pantry or extra storage area we were talking about with 4 cabinets and some shelves. And there's even another space here with more shelves. So it really is just such a nice home. You don't have to worry about running out of storage space. The home really makes sure to offer you that. There's even enough space to have a dining table, have a nice living room. It really is such a great home. Now, the Summit does come with 4 or 5 bedrooms, so you can pick whichever one fits your and your family's needs best. There's also 3 bathrooms, and this entire home is 2,432 square feet. So again, it's a very spacious home. You can see here there's plenty of space for a very nice living room area, have a dining table, and again, that beautiful, spacious, and very nice kitchen that offers so much storage space. So here we have the master bedroom attached to the living room area. And the master bedroom is very spacious as well. You can see that even with the bed, you can fit in 2 nightstands and a dresser. And honestly, I see even more space for even more furniture for you to really customize this home and make it your own. And along with the storage space in the kitchen, here in the master bedroom, you have just as much. You have so many cabinets, so many drawers, and I love that there's the dual sink as well. So you and that shared sink partner, you don't have to worry about ever fighting over space. There's plenty offered underneath each sink. And then again, you have this open shower here and a very nice closet. I mean, you can just fit so many clothes. I think I even said this in my tour the first time I was here, but honestly, this might be bigger than my closet at home. So again, I really do love the Summit. I love how big it is. And I believe it's one of the homes out here that we have that just really offers you so much like space and options for customization for yourself, for your own furniture, to add your own touches to the home. Again, to really make it feel like home. So down this hallway over here, we have a couple of different rooms here. Again, you have the option between 4 or 5 bedrooms. And here we have the second bedroom. Now the Summit again offers 3, one being in the master bedroom and 2 being on this hallway as well. And I love, again, you have storage space underneath those sinks. Again, you really have enough space for everything here. You have a second flex area, as we like to call. You can make this a office, you can make this a gym, a nice dining area, even if you want a formal dining area, a nice theater room. It's perfect. A playroom for the kids. It just suits any need. And then over here we have, next to this flex space, another bedroom. So again, there's 4 or 5 bedrooms, whichever is more accustomed to your family's home. But between these 2 bedrooms over here, we have that third bathroom that is shared between both of these bedrooms, but no worries at all because the storage space in there is still amazing. Even that shower, it just offers so much space. You really don't have to worry about a thing. The Summit is really here to take care of you. And again, attached to the other side of the sink and the other side of this bathroom is another bedroom. And again, I really like how every bedroom here in the Summit, again, offers you its own closet. You don't have to worry about putting clothes anywhere else. You don't even have to opt out for that dresser. Again, every bedroom comes with its own closet. And again, here is that flex space. And then on the right, we have another bedroom. You can even make this bedroom, if you don't need that many, into another office area. You can have an office right here, keep it across from the playroom for the kids, keep an eye on them, but still do your work, and you don't have to worry about a single thing. And again, that's something I love about the Summit, is it's just perfect. It's one of those homes that just offers endless possibilities, and I absolutely love that. And again, back around here, we're in that extra storage place like at the beginning of the video, and it's attached to the kitchen. So I love how everything is just attached, next to that flex space. You have these 2 bedrooms, and this is another bedroom that we're in that is attached to that flex space. And even that other bedroom that we saw could even be another flex space for an office, and I absolutely love that. And you'll notice around all the doors, there's that woodwork again that carries up through many of our homes that just really adds a nice touch. It makes a cohesive look across the entire home. But yeah, that was our Summit, and I was very excited to show you guys, and I hope I see you guys soon.
Thank you for giving that tour, Payal.
Alright guys, I'm so glad. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much, Xander, for walking us through it. And I look forward to keep going with the lives. See you guys.
See you later, Payal. Alrighty, guys. So yes, as you could tell, a lot happening in this home. Really nice floor plan. This is what I would describe as a maze that I would personally love to get lost in. It has everything you need. The variety of spacing is off the charts. Really, really nice big home. You could tell why this is Payal and I's favorite home. So, if you have any questions on this home, again, check us out at findmymobilehome.com. Give us a call at 210-510-0500. And if you want to see Payal's first reaction of seeing this home, I would definitely check that out on all our socials. It's a pretty good video. All right, so see you guys later. Again, I'm Xander. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.